Lacey, you're not 13 for a couple more months.
Okay, I just wanted to sit up front with you.
According to the experts, the back seat is the safest place until then. It won't be much longer. It's more important to stay safe. What? Where did you come from?
Oh, okay, boy. Okay, I'm putting the seatbelt back on correctly.
Good boy, Theo. Lacey, did you know that each day children under 13 are involved in a car accident every 33 seconds? Wearing a seatbelt correctly saves lives.
Thanks, Theo, for watching out for me.